Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the explanation of the worksheet. Now we have two classes for revision, okay, and that is the worksheet I have given you here. See how I am doing and how you will have to do. The question number first type I have given here. Fill in the blanks with suitable models. So you will have to fill the blanks space, okay. So question number first is you dash do your duty at all cost. So what kind of sentence is there? It should be here must. A sense of necessity is given there. Must, you must do your duty at all cost. So must is the right answer. Next one, we fight to the last. Once again necessity is there, we must fight to the last. Next one, be careful lest you, मैंने बताया था कि after lest should is used. Be careful lest you should fall. The meaning of lest is otherwise. Now question number next. Question number 4. Dash I sit on this chair please. So what kind of sentence is there? Permission. So polite permission is there, please is there. So may I sit on this chair please. Next one. Blank space, God grant peace to the departed soul. It is a kind of wish. So may God grant. Now next one is he tried hard but he dash not solve the sum. What is here? Ability. Ability in the past. So ability is used in with the help of can. So he tried is in past tense. So answer will be could. Now you will do. I will share the answer key. Got it? Now see part 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate models. Now here in this one, I have not explained here separately. Has to, have to, and had to. These all things they are used in sense of compulsion. I am telling you sentences that have to is used with plural subjects. Okay, they have to work hard. उन्हें बहुत कठिन परिश्रम करना पड़ता है. एंड दे हैड टू वर्क हार्ड. उन्हें बहुत कठिन परिश्रम करना पड़ा था. So this was a case of compulsion. So has to, have to, and had to. They shows compulsion, okay, of the subject. तो जब कंपल्सन का केस रहेगा, ठीक है, तो उसमें हम लोग इसका क्या करेंगे? यूज करेंगे. आई हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. मुझे कठिन परिश्रम करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, करना पड़ेगा. आई विल हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. तो क्या हो जाएगा? मुझे कठिन परिश्रम करना पड़ेगा. सो विल हैव, ओके, शैल हैव, इस तरह से हम लोग इसका यूज करेंगे. विल डू दैट. So we blank space obey our teachers. So there is no compulsion for that, So we must obey our teachers, not have to. Question number next. See blank space pass this time. What is that? Has to or ought to? The right answer is ought to. She ought to pass this time. Next one, he blank space not buy a car. What is the answer here? He did not buy a car. He works hard. Next one, lest he, right now we have done. He works hard lest he should fail. Next one, do you blank space cook your meal, cook your own meal. So here in place of should, like do you cook your own meal? So should and have to is there. So compulsion is, question is there. So here have to is there. The villagers used kerosene lamps a few years ago. So here few years ago, here the past compulsion is there. So in place of must, what will be here? Had to. The villagers used kerosene lamps a few years ago. So here the villagers had to use kerosene lamps a few years ago. So this is the explanation. You will do that, okay, till 20. I will share you the answer key. Exercise number 3. Please see. Fill in the following blanks using has to, have to, had to, will have to and shall have to. Now I am telling you the explanation of has to. Has to कहाँ पे use करेंगे? Singular subject के साथ. Like she has to means you are familiar with the use of has and have. Has is used with singular subjects. Okay, like she has, he has, Ravi has. Okay, Sony has, it has. Wherever singular subject is there, has will be used. Wherever plural subject is there, have will be used. Like they have. Okay, you have, I have, we have. So similarly, has and have shows compulsion. She has to work hard. She has to do her all pending works. उसे सारा घर का काम करना पड़ता है, उसे क्लीनिंग वर्क करना पड़ता है. शी हैज टू डू ऑल द हाउसहोल्ड वर्क्स, शी हैज टू डू ऑल द क्लीनिंग वर्क्स. सो दिस shows the compulsion. Okay, has to and have to. And had to also shows compulsion in the past. I had to work hard. मुझे परिश्रम करना पड़ा था in order to get selected. Okay, she had to work hard, she had to write an application. यानी कि पास्ट के इंसिडेंट को हम लोग कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं? हैड टू में एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. अब बात आता है विल हैव टू और शैल हैव टू. तो विल का यूज आप जानते हैं, आई और वी के साथ विल का यूज होगा, बाकी सारे सॉरी आई और वी के साथ शैल का यूज होगा, और बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट के साथ क्या हो जाएगा? विल का यूज होगा. बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट मतलब सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन. यू विल, दे विल, आई शैल और वी शैल हैव. लेकिन आपने शैल और विल का यूज भी पढ़ा हुआ है. विल का यूज भी फर्स्ट पर्सन के साथ होता है. कब? डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ, थ्रेट के साथ, ठीक है, प्रॉमिस के साथ. और सिमिलरली आपका शैल का भी वही केसेस होता है. आई और वी के साथ यूज होगा तो जनरल फ्यूचर एक्शन शो करेगा. एंड व्हेन इट विल बी यूज्ड विद सेकंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन इट विल शो प्रॉमिस, थ्रेट, डिटर्मिनेशन. सेम केस इज हियर विथ विल. व्हेन इट विल बी यूज्ड विद सेकंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन it will show general future action, and when it will be used with first person it will show promise, determination and threat. So see, I serve my aged parent. What is that? Following blanks by using has to. I have to serve my aged. Okay, compulsion is there, I is taking have, so I have to serve my aged parents. The maid servants dash wash the utensils. So the maid servant is singular. The maid servants has to, ठीक है, wash the next one. The light bridge dash obey the orders of its commander. The light bridge has to, singular subject. The hare blank space cut a sorry. The hare figure on losing the race. The hare has to cut a sorry. So these are the explanation. Okay, you will do that. Then I will share you the answer key of these all. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all. You will do it nicely. If there is any confusion, okay, you just read it. And if there is any confusion, you just ask in the group. I will just explain it. Explain it to you all. Second type question is there. This is the type first. Second type is fill in the blanks, okay, in paragraphs. Edit the passage, okay, or jumble words in models in second one. So after this we will finish this and we'll initiate next grammar chapter. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.